What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And today's video is super exciting because I'm finally going to be going out and seeing what the Camaro can do on the streets of Mexico, guys. I'm super excited. I haven't been out in a long time, but hopefully we have a good time out there and we can get some good comparisons and get a few runs in and bring you guys along for the ride. That is right, guys. We are going to be going out and taking a drive through Mexico and seeing just where this car sits on the streets. I'm super excited and hopefully everything goes well. I didn't change back the front skinnies, so it's on the front skinnies, but I didn't remove anything in the interior. Still full weight, still everything. We've got the nitrous bottle ready and should be a good time, guys. Got my neighbor here, got the Camaro. There's a bunch of cars, see, all over the place, so should be fun. We're gonna try to get a few runs in and hopefully see where this car lines up. There's a bunch of Mustangs, ZL1s. Looks like a badass big turbo BMW and just a bunch of cars. So let's get right to the runs. We are back home, and guys, all I gotta say is I am very happy and proud of the Camaro. We actually won pretty much every single race that we ran. We ran a wide variety of different cars, from pro-charged C6s to ZL1s to all kinds of Camaros and one Mustang, I believe. So overall, the car did really well, worked great on the spray, and as you guys can see, it makes a very big difference when it's on nitrous. So very happy with everything. Now we just got to find out how to make it faster and start playing with the timing and the C16 race fuel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.